Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Ac1200 and positioning it close to your router so the radios can easily pair. This reduces failed handshakes. Next, connect via Ethernet or the extender's temporary Wi-Fi AP. Enter the admin page credentials provided on the label. Once logged in, choose the router SSID and input the password. This lets the extender copy network settings and security, so devices later roam seamlessly. Make sure LEDs indicate a stable link before. Once done with the basic link, enable Mesh or AP mode in the extender interface so it federates with your router. This creates a single network fabric. You should set channels to auto unless you observe interference, then pick less crowded frequencies for 2, 4, and 5 GHz. Make sure the extender uses the same SSID and WPA2/3 security as the router. That way devices roam without re-authentication. Finally, assign DHCP pass-through or static IP to avoid conflicts. Now place the Ac1200 where signal strength is roughly half. This balances backhaul and coverage. Avoid metal, microwaves, and dense walls. Test speeds on multiple devices and bands, walk through problem areas, and note latency or dropouts. If clients don't roam, force a disconnect so they reconnect to the stronger node. If things go wrong, reboot the extender and router, then resync. If persistent, factory reset and repeat the mesh join to clear corrupted configs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.